Welcome to Easy Studies. Do subscribe for more educational videos. This module presents about the government policies issued for the field of logistics and supply chain management. The scope of legislations affecting logistics operations has steadily increased over the years. New policies and regulations are being evolved and enforced, keeping in view the objectives of globalization, privatization and liberalization, with the additional regulatory dimension for environment protection. The regulatory framework for logistics industry may be studied in three parts: warehousing, transportation, packaging. Under warehousing, government policy decisions on warehousing are reflected in the following acts and measures: the Warehousing Corporation Act, 1962. Warehousing, Development and Regulation Act, 2007. Licensing of warehouse. Logistics industry in India is governed by the following Act: the Motor Vehicles Act, 1988. Carriage by Road Act, 2007. The Carriage by Air Act, 1972. The Carriage of Goods by Sea Act, 1925. The Multimodal Transportation of Goods Act, 1993. The Central Excise Act, 1944. The Central Sales Tax Act, 1956. Goods and Service Tax Act. Environmental Protection Act, 1986. Consumer Protection Act, 1986. Packaging regulations are contained in Heavy Package Act, 1951. Regulations issued by International Maritime Organization, IMO. Guidelines of International Air Transport. Association for Dangerous and General Goods Cargo. Orders issued by the Department of Explosives and Hazardous Materials. Thank you for watching this video. Hope you gained knowledge on logistics and supply chain management. For more videos, do subscribe Easy Studies.